What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am going to talk about a specific type of mascara you might run into, and that is waterproof mascara. Once you kind of are aware of how a lot of makeup tends to work, you start to hear a lot of bad things about waterproof mascara. Is it bad? It can be. It can be very, very bad. Let's see if there are benefits and if the benefits that it's supposed to give are actually worth it in the long run. When I came out, I knew there were an array of products I wanted to get. A lot of the terms on makeup products you kind of ignore. On a mascara box like this, a lot of times it'll be in blue. It'll tell you waterproof. I did use waterproof mascara when I started, and I wore it every day. It caused an array of problems that we're going to get into. Why is there waterproof mascara on the market? The thing is, it's meant to cater to a certain need, and with waterproof mascaras, it's pretty self-explanatory. So there's several situations where you would want to use this product. So if you're going to a funeral, if you're seeing The Notebook for the 3rd, 4th, 30th time, if it's hot and humid out, you're at the beach, if you're going swimming, if you tend to be very athletic, you go to the gym on a regular basis, if you have a very long, busy day ahead of you, if you are off to the club, you're partying till 1:30, 3:30 in the morning, if you're dancing, all of these things. So there is water, there's sweat, tears. Those things are enemies of the quality of your makeup. It is rock solid. It's not gonna budge. It is a highly processed formula that is meant to stay on your eyes for many, many hours. Why would you not want to use it? Because of what it is, because of the formula and what it needs to do, it can be very difficult to take off. Ordinary makeup removers like the makeup wipes, like a micellar water, that's not gonna cut it. You need something oil-based, and even then, that's just the start. If you wake up and you didn't take your makeup off, and then in the morning you're taking off your eye makeup, a lot of lashes come off with it. And so removing and scrubbing at waterproof mascara takes its toll on your lashes, and inevitably takes a toll on the skin in this area, which is notoriously delicate and sensitive. Think about the toll it will take if you wear this stuff every single day. Read the label as to what it does. I don't want you to start off with makeup and then have complications that, you know, my eyelashes are falling out, I can't get all my makeup off. It's not something I want for you to endure, because I know what that was like. Waterproof mascaras, since they're waterproof, will dry your lashes out. Waxes and silicons are what are in these products that make them resilient to sweat, water, and tears. These mascaras have exclusively added ingredients, 2 of the main ones being cyclopentasiloxane and isododecane, and these are heavily drying agents, which inevitably leads to your lashes falling out. This kind of relates to certain techniques and products we often use or hear about within makeup. So stuff like baking, with lipsticks that last forever. Okay, it looks great, it looks flawless, especially on camera and in good lighting, but if you get a little up close, you turn the light off, you get a lot of cracking and kind of that gross pulling motion where once you pull it, it feels like a whole thing is trying to... Yeah, if you have a bad habit of not taking your makeup off before you go to sleep, do not use waterproof mascara. I want to make a video on why sleeping with your makeup on is so bad. If you have waterproof mascara that is rock solid, think about when you toss and turn and then something keeps pushing your lashes, you're twisting and turning, they're gonna start breaking off. So in conclusion, depending on your lifestyle, depending on where you are going, how the weather is out there, how busy your day is, this could be a godsend that will work for you. If you do not wear makeup every single day and you have a bang on makeup removal routine, then I'd say go for it. However, if you are using this every day, there are going to be complications around your eye, your skin, and your lashes are going to go through a total absolute nightmare that you do not want to take part in. So that is all I have to say. Here is my recent video on mascara, and here is the next video on mascara. So stay beautiful, everyone. Take care.